It's probably about 75 right now. This hive was a hive that just moved into a dead out while I was waiting for a package to arrive. But this last winter they seemed to do pretty good. Up until today there was all kinds of these. Doesn't look like too many today for some reason. So if I can find a queen cell, there's some good smoke. I might do a split. This top frame, or excuse me, the top box, was absolutely nothing on it. It's a brand new box, brand new frames, but I can already see is full of wax. So I don't know, I might just go ahead and put another super on it. Our Chinese tallow is the big crop, and that doesn't really start till the 1st of May. So still a few weeks off on it. I'd be already. Wow. Yeah, they've been busy. A lot of good looking wax there. I may not split it. I'm really not too concerned about honey. But look, Queen's been up here too. Or has she? Drone brood. Just all drones. Weird. But just a really nice, this was a few weeks ago. This was just empty. That's saying something too. The queen is coming way up here to lay. You know, got a lot going on as far as places to lay eggs. Just a lot of honey, drone brood. Nothing in the rest of this. I have to remember to put the hive beetle trap back on it. I need to get deeper. Smoker's actually working. Yeah, we got smoke. Some unhappy bees. Let's pull this camera a little bit closer. Try the 360 camera. See how that works out. This was drawn comb It was kind of ugly drawing comb too, but they were just so busy and so many bees. I figured I had to do something. So I put this ugly comb in here. Oh, sorry, girls. Oh yeah, that's right. And this is actually another short. Save me, smoke, save me. Boy, this is packed with honey. Oh, boy. Look at that frame. Boy. Set this right here. Get it out of the way. Just look out there, bees. See what else is going on in here. Some brood and honey. Yeah, it seems like this queen has got nowhere to lay. So I'm not seeing any swarm cells yet, but that'll probably be down deep. Yeah, I don't blame them if they did swarm. Nothing but nectar in here. Bee with some pollen. Yeah, they got nowhere to lay eggs, probably. Queen cup, cup of 1, 2, 3 queen cups. Some good looking brood. Couple queen cells on that one. A lot of honey. Let's see how many boxes I got on here. 1, 2, 2 deeps, 2 shallows. So she went to the very top to lay eggs. Oh boy, I know what's on this frame. Oh, that's pretty. White cappings. Okay. Some half-ass queen cells. What hive do you? Okay. Smoker's still going. Okay. Some of these frames are broken. I hate to pull them out, but no choice. Careful, careful, careful. Drone. They actually got some good places to lay here. Look at that brood. That's beautiful. I don't see any freshly laid eggs. So, did they swarm? I hate to set this down. Wow, look at that pollen. That kind of looks like a hatched queen cell there. Everything looking good so far. A lot of honey, a lot of bees. A lot of honey and a lot of bees. A lot of drones here. Oops. Oh, there's some queen cells. Okay, so that one I may be able to do a split. Depending on what else I see. There's 1, 2, 3, third one in. Oh boy. Oh, that's a heavy one. Oops. That is a whole frame of honey. Also, honey. Nothing else. Oops. There's the queen cell at number 3. Oh, I never checked these back ones. Let's see, I got to here. Cups. Don't see any eggs. Not a pollen. Holly. There's a nice brood. Okay, nothing up here. Nothing. No queen, no fresh eggs. One queen cell that looked pretty good. But I wouldn't want to leave my hive queenless. Just that one cell. Alright, wow. Front door is really looking busy here. Oh my god, like they don't give a crap about. Smoke. Wow, I don't know what to do about this. This is too much. I'm putting her back. I think I'm doing much more harm than good with, even with the smoke. I'm sorry. Everybody off. Move the camera in front here. Look at this mess. Look at it. Why? Did more harm than good. Sorry, girls. Smoker kept going. Okay, so do I need to do a split? Yes, but am I gonna do one? No. So I don't know if they swarm. Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe I can catch them, or someone else can enjoy some bees. But this is too intense. And they do have some place to lay eggs. You see a bunch of empty cells. And I didn't see a queen. I only saw the one queen cell. If they already did swarm, they left a lot behind.